A little maintenance can save you headaches later. Hi, I'm Hannah Fleschel, your guide to living in and loving Atlanta. Whether you're prepping for the fall or just keeping the chaos in check, small maintenance steps go a long way. Here are your quick home care tips for this month of August. Number 1, clean your gutters. Get your gutters ready for the fall leaves. If they are already full, you'll be in trouble this autumn. Number 2, check for signs of destructive insects like termites once a year. August is the perfect time to do that. Number 3, organize the mudroom and entryway. Clean the clutter before it multiplies for the fall and winter gear. Number 4, purge those yard and water toys. It's time to say goodbye to summer. Enjoy the last moments of summer and be in touch when you need more tips and tricks or vendor recommendations.